Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a Walmart gift card on app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a gift card on the Walmart app, first what you need to do is make sure you have the Walmart app downloaded. Simply tap on your app store, then on the search bar type in Walmart. Then once that's done, tap on the Walmart app and then tap on get button to download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open and then make sure you are signed into your Walmart account. Then once you're inside your Walmart account, what you need to do is tap on your account on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once done, you will find an option that says Walmart wallet. Then simply tap on add a gift card option. Now next step is to enter the card details. Physical gift card often have scratch off the silver strip to reveal gift card number, PIN or access code, and digital gift card often have copy the gift card number plus PIN from your email. Then simply enter the gift card number and enter the PIN or access code. Then once that's done, simply tap on add or save and the gift card balance is now added to your Walmart wallet and the balance will automatically apply during checkout. Next is to use gift card at checkout. Add items to your card, then simply tap on checkout and then choose Walmart Wallet as your payment method and your gift card balance will be applied automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.